Just do what I say.
What did you say?
You want either like this, you want it to go in heaven only.
3 4s are
12,
3 2s are
6,
3 7s are
21.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So what are you eating today?
Egg and bread.
By the way, why you got up so early?
Because I have joined my class.
So let's finish the breakfast and then do some revision, yeah? Mama is also having egg, bread and chai. Dry fruit milk is getting ready. Chai? Did you say chai? Did you say chai or kai you said?
Let's start eating my breakfast.
Guys, हम कब से वेट कर रहे हैं अपना व्लॉग चालू करने के लिए, लेकिन ये लोग
She's not allowing me to do anything. I think.
I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so
हमारे घर में हो रहा है मेकओवर. एक्चुअली हम लोगों को अभी भी पता नहीं है क्या होने वाला है. सो वी आर स्टिल इन अ confusion mode. Confusion mode. We are still in a confusion mode.
Libras are always in confusion.
That's the statement I had told you. Repeat it. They're not confused.
Today we have leopard in the house.
She's the leopard. Anyways, so confusion ये है कि यहाँ पर एक wall है and then we have another wall. Now we are going to do a makeover of the wall. इस तरह से ये चीज़ें हैं वो अच्छी नहीं लग रही है. How come happened? What happened? Yeah, what happened?
Maybe on the chair I kept somewhere.
Maybe over here you're doing something right. Okay, though this is how the wall looks like right now. तो confusion ये है कि ये यहाँ पर सूट नहीं कर रहा है. तो we are planning to change this wall. अभी कैसे क्या करेंगे ये प्लान करके ही आप लोगों को we are going to let you guys know. And this is the big खजाने का बॉक्स है जिसमें कि है हमारा सारा डेकोर का सामान. Yeah, let's clear up this area and then we'll put everything over here.
By the way, you remember what we put in this box, or we don't know?
Now what you say, you remove this and all. So we have some of the things over
But we
here.
are thinking, huh?
We are still thinking. This is not. We have some couple of things जो कि बहुत अच्छे हैं. तो हम लोग एक्चुअली ये एरिया जो है हम लोगों को एक अलग ही तरह का थीम देना है. And that wall we want to give a separate theme.
I can be
Hannah's
sad
home over
with
here.
you.
Come.
Just take my hand
baby,
and
inside.
fly up through where the skies are so clear with you.
लोग करने वाले थे मेकओवर स्टार्ट सुबह के टाइम पर. सुबह अराउंड 8 o'clock, अराउंड आई थिंक सो अराउंड 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock ऐसे कुछ. बट सुबह से लेके अभी बज रहे हैं 5:15 एंड वी थॉट फाइनली वी विल स्टार्ट राइट नाउ. देखते हैं, फिर भी दिमाग चल रहा है.
I can be sad.
सो गाइज एवरीथिंग इज ओवर हियर. अभी देखते हैं कौन से वॉल में कौन सा क्या करेंगे हम लोग, कौन सा डिजाइन देने वाले हैं और क्या देने वाले हैं. वी हैव रियली नो आइडिया. एनी आइडिया केम इन योर ब्रेन?
Not yet.
तो सबसे पहले इसको निकाल देते हैं ताकि हमें एक क्लीन कैनवस वी गेट एंड देन वी कैन ट्राई टू मिक्स एंड मैच और देखते हैं कि क्या कर सकते हैं. बिकॉज वी हैव अ ब्लैक ब्राउन सोफा, तो यहाँ पर कुछ कलरफुल ऐसे चाहिए. ये जो है ना वो थोड़ा सा डल लग रहा है.
You want to remove those things here? Scooter, I think in this, no?
नाइस.
I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear with you.
None of these things what were here will not go back again here.
I so far don't know what is going to happen. You can definitely
Hello.
you can see yourself.
Hello.
With you, I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear with you.
Is it looking
I
awesome?
wanna stay
Yeah.
with you.
Come.
So guys, this is the bike. This is the bike which my husband want to buy.
Not this.
Not this one?
This already we bought. Now we need a real.
And this is my bike. What did you say? What you said?
I'm saying no. This one. What we'll do? We'll keep this one. This is
Okay.
It's not finishing nicely.
Okay.
So when we put that next step, it will look nice. Bring it. I'll show you. There are-
Yeah. Now you can see. You can sit over there and see in the mirror. What's that now? Let me see how it is looking like.
See.
Oh, you can see all the cars and bikes.
Honey, continuation.
Yeah, it is looking right.
But if you think you don't want to make a gap,
Yeah.
another idea. Thinking if you put this will look good.
No, what concept you said, it is really looking nice, but what we have along with that is not matching to that. This is what I am thinking.
With you, I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the
I can see also. Baba is coming up with new concept. My goodness. Look at that.
Anybody come up with any concept in this house, finally only one thing will happen.
What is that?
What Mama wanted will happen. Over the night you will not
Mama,
see
you
it.
like what I did?
It is very nice, beautiful.
Huh?
But I like the colors, man. Like the colors.
Don't tell him lies. It is not beautiful at all.
Yeah,
This one is not beautiful.
The top one you mean to say,
Because
right?
why? I'm scared. If mirror will fall on my Baba. Whatever. What?
Baba, Christmas lights are not on. Please turn on. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Hannah is sleeping now. You will not drill it today.
Yeah, but this is not looking good.
Not looking good. Change the plan.
No. But that mirror, what you said, we'll keep the mirror.
Mirror, yes. Mirror we keep. Then
But we remove this
we remove that.
and keep this.
More chai.
Yeah, I think so. Jam Raju.
What did you say?
I'm not going to drill now. My daughter is sleeping.
Because you said that you are going
If
to.
daughter is like me, I could have drilled. You can drill, you can do anything. I will not wake up.
Okay, fine. So what to do, baby?
So, conclusion.
Tell me.
The scooter where you kept, fantastic.
Good
The
job.
mirrors where Baba kept, fantastic.
Good job.
But adjustment required.
But still we are not done
No.
with.
Mirror where
Get-
Baba kept.
Guys, can you imagine? We are just doing the makeover of one wall. Baby, you remember when we were doing this last time also? The same thing had happened. I used to stand over here and you were like. But that time we never vlogged, so I cannot prove you guys.
We vlogged though, little.
No, we did.
Yeah, you
Maybe.
No, I'm sure you shoot something here. I think this is okay.
Yeah, okay. Again. This is the 100 or 1,000 time we are going
No.
to change the designs. So guys, इतना सारा करने के बाद now we need a cup of chai.
The skies are so clear with you. I wanna stay with you. With you.
Hardly days.
Looking like
Rugged, full.
yeah. This wall is a combination your, mine, and Baba's essence is there in that.
Now what to do with this?
But I think only one is missing. You know what? Car is missing. Just do what I say.
What did you say? Nothing you said, right, Dada? Nothing Mama said. Mama said
So honey, you want either like this,
Uh,
make like this, or you want it to go in heaven only?
no, make it like it is going in hell.
Like this?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yep.
It doesn't matter, anyway it's square. Let's put it first.
Brother, that you can sing. Say. Do. Do.
You and Hannah can go on the pinky.
Yeah.
Huh? Hannah will stand here or maybe sit here. Me and Baba will take our own guitar.
Both the guitars.
He will take his, I will take mine. I will go on my bike. He will go on his Harley Davidson.
Whoa! Will you be able to reach over there? Whoa! You become big boy.
I can be sad with you. Just take my hand.
Finally, we एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड एट अराउंड 5 o'clock, लेकिन अभी बज रहे हैं, व्हाट इज़ द टाइम, इट्स अराउंड 8 o'clock, और अभी हमारा काम जो है कंप्लीट हो गया है। फिर भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो कि हम लोग करने वाले थे ये वाले वॉल पर, विच इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल। तो शायद मैं इसका व्लॉग अलग से बनाऊंगी, विच इज़ गोइंग टू बी इन अनदर पार्ट ऑफ माइंड। तो आई विल शो यू गाइज हाउ द वॉल लुक्स लाइक आफ्टर सो मच ऑफ जद्दोजहद करने के बाद।
I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly.
So this is how a wall looks
Where
like.
the skies are so clear with you. I wanna stay with you. With you. I love the way that you love me today. Let's run up through the fields.
Anyways guys, we have lot of stuff which we have to clear it up. You can see our house is a full mess over here. Anyways, we are going to end our vlog. तो बेसिकली ये मेकओवर करने का यही था कि यहाँ पर जो पहले चीज़ें थी वो बहुत ही फीकी लग रही थी, बट नाउ इट इज़ लुकिंग रियली वेरी गुड, मैचिंग टू द सोफ़ा। क्योंकि हमारा जो पहले का हम लोगों ने किया था वॉल का डिज़ाइन, वो अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रीवियस सोफ़ा के हिसाब से था, लेकिन अभी जो है अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस, सो इट लुकिंग अमेजिंग। आई एम जस्ट लविंग इट and this is how it looks like. So how you all feel after seeing this makeover which is done by me?
Of course, it is awesome.
So anyways guys, this was our vlog, and I'm sure my husband must be very tired because he was doing everything by himself, holding the stuff in one hand and drilling from the other.
I was just holding the driller. She was holding both the kids.
That's why I gave you tea. Anyways, it is looking very nice, and the center of attraction I feel is the
Mirror.
Scooter.
Scooter. Yeah, scooter.
What mirror?
Scooter.
Scooter is the
What?
center of attraction.
Yeah. So Mama had designed, but Baba put his mirror somehow.
Actually, we never had any idea about the mirror, but the way Hetam came and he
After
put
a
the
long
mirror.
time, we have given a changed look actually.
Yeah, it's been long time we have kept
We
the
changed
same.
the theme itself.
So see you guys in our next vlog. Till then, take care and
With you.
say bye bye,
I
Hannah.
can be sad with you.